Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Bay Vision 22 hat embroidery machine. There is always a learning curve in the beginning for those who never use a commercial embroidery machine before. Don't worry, we've got you covered as we create a support team for each of our users. And we will guide you to use the machine step by step, concluding unboxing, assembling, threading and tension adjustment to make sure you are able to overcome the learning curve quickly. Our computerized embroidery machine has many user-friendly designs like laser positioning device, multifunctional workbench, brand new stand which is simple assembly and has larger storage space, quick threading guide and dust-proof visual rotary hook which is convenient to check the running process of the hook safely during the embroidery process. The heavy-duty structure of our Vision V22 industrial embroidery machine, including tubular semi-enclosed structure with solid materials, hexagonal bottom beam for machine head and the upgrade steel stand, ensure stability and mobility. New InStitch i5 computer system has smart 3D hat embroidery, stride jump functions and batch production of patch patterns. You will be able to create both structured and unstructured hats in any fabrics your customers need with this professional embroidery machine. Number 2 in this best embroidery machine for small business list is SmartStitch S1501 commercial embroidery machine. This machine to start embroidery business, S1501 commercial embroidery machine with 15 needles, 14x20 large embroidery area, max speed of 1200 SPM, 12-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi available, 270 wide-angle cap system, laser positioning, automatic color change, and smart control system, which is the most classical embroidery machine and best choice to start your embroidery business. The extra large 12-inch touchscreen makes the operation for the embroidery design and machine control so much easier and friendly. SmartStitch provides operation manuals and video trainings to ensure you can get started with our commercial embroidery machine soon. After the purchase, please contact us immediately when you receive the machine. Our experienced engineers will help you to use the machine online, and local technical support is available also. Full embroidery application with starter pack S1501 commercial embroidery machine can stitch on denim, canvas, leather, vinyl, 3D caps, side of caps, shoes, bags and anything an industrial machine can stitch on by DST/DSB files from your computer to the machine with the USB or Wi-Fi. The starter pack comes with our machine including machine embroidery threads, stabilizers and bobbin threads. Our third choice is Brother PE900 embroidery machine. This machine embroidery to virtually all your projects just became more fun with the Brother PE900 embroidery only machine. Best reviewed embroidery only machine, and successor to the Brother PE800. Choose from 193 built-in embroidery designs, 13 built-in embroidery fonts or download a design of your choice from the Brother embroidery platform squared for even more creativity. With a generous 5 inches by 7 inches embroidery area and embroidery speeds up to 650 stitches per minute, you can create more in less time. The perfect addition to any sewing room, the embroidery-only PE900 has a sharp 3.7 LCD display, which allows for easy on-screen editing, including letter editing, enhanced zoom, resizing, rotating, repositioning, and combining designs. With the PE900, it's easy to hoop a 4x7 magnetic frame as the generous 7.4 from needle to arm is the perfect amount of space to the right of the needle. Bundle includes 80 high-quality embroidery threads with case 500 meters each, 10 pre-wound embroidery bobbins white, 10 pre-wound embroidery bobbins black, 6-piece set of Brothers Best embroidery thread, tear-away stabilizer, 15 inches by 30 feet, water-soluble stabilizer, 11 inches by 10 feet, brother ironing mat, embroidery placement ruler, 10-pack high-precision embroidery needles, 5, design cards for embroidery designs, SVGs, JPGs, commercial use. Fourth pick in this best embroidery machine for small business list is Poulin EAC 05 embroidery machine. Poulin embroidery machine is equipped with a large LCD touchscreen that can drag and edit patterns, like operating a mobile phone, do what you want. From pattern selection to editing, then to embroidery letter and pattern combination in multiple colors. Save edited patterns for next time use. Built-in design 96 built-in designs, 8 lettering fonts and 10 languages allow you to quickly train after the machine is delivered. This automatic embroidery machine comes with 4 by 9.25 inches and 4 by 4 inches hoops, the large enough embroidery area to do more embroidery. EAC 05 computerized embroidery machine will come with 6 rolls of polyester threads, multicolored pre-wound bobbins, and stabilizers, which meet most needs for beginners. No need to purchase additional supplies. Need embroidery digital software to design patterns and export them to DST or DSB format, and plug them into the embroidery machine with the USB that comes with it. The size 9014 needle can embroider common fabrics smaller than 4 mm. If you want to sew thicker fabrics, please consider using a coarse fabric needle. Our fifth and last choice is Yachin Mini YQ 1501 embroidery machine. This automatic embroidery machine for hats and clothing is equipped with a large area embroidery hoop with size 11.81 by 7.87, which can accommodate most embroidery designs and provides plenty of space for your embroidery patterns. Meanwhile, we also provide a number of embroidery hoops of different sizes with the embroidery machine to suitable for hats, clothing, etc. 100 million max memory stitches, laser positioning and automatic color change, etc. This automatic embroidery machine is equipped with a 10 inches LCD large digital touchscreen and intelligent computer control system with 10 languages, which can meet different customers' need to make it more convenient to use with editing/modifying the embroidery pattern before embroidery, and changing the embroidery pattern according to different embroidery modes. YQ 1501 commercial embroidery machine can stitch on denim, canvas, leather, vinyl, caps, shoes, bags and anything an industrial machine can stitch on by DST/DSB files from your computer to the machine with a USB.